Oh, that was the cutest thing. I love you. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica. I am a mum of one to a little boy called George who is almost 2, and I post 3 times a week. I post, he's trying to look in the viewfinder, I post motherhood and lifestyle videos, so if you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'd love to have you. So today I'm going to be showing you everything that I bought at Sainsbury's today. So I'm just going to show you sort of my mini haul, if you like. I shopped enough for 5 dinners, some lunches and snacks and things. So I will show you everything. Sorry, I'm looking over here because George is running around. But I will show you everything that I bought today in Sainsbury's, and then I'll come back and I will tell you the meal plan for the week. Okay, so you're going to have to ignore the noise of the dishwasher. I know it's a really bad time to put it on, but it's on now, so and I need to get all this shopping away, so I thought I would quickly film it before I do that. So I've got a jumbo pack of the Pampers Baby Dry Nappy Pants, and these are such better value for money than buying the smaller packets. So you get 74 nappies in there, and the packet just seems to last for a really long time. I then got a packet of the Sensitive Little Ones baby wipes, and then also the Sainsbury's Little Ones bedtime bath wash. Over here, some cupboard items. I picked up a box of the Boil in the Bag Easy Cook long grain rice. I got a packet of the Quick Cook Fusilli pasta. And then oil, I got a sunflower oil. I still have quite a lot left from last week's haul because I bought the extra large oils, so I just thought I'd pick up a smaller one for this week in case we run out. I then got some applesauce. I then got 3 of these packet mixes. So I got the Schwartz garlic and herb wedges, that's for our roast potatoes. I got a cheddar cheese sauce for the cauliflower cheese, and then I also got the seasoning mix, the old El Paso one for fajitas. Down here I picked up some Patek's korma paste pots for our curry that we have, and then I also got some toffee sauce to go with some vanilla ice cream for desserts and treats for the week. So over here I've got some jars. So I've got the Don Mio ones for lasagna, so I got the white sauce and then also the smooth tomato one. I then got a jar of the Patek's original korma sauce for our curry. We normally have the tikka masala one, however I find that really spicy even with some natural yogurt. So I thought I would try the korma one this week and see if it's a bit milder. I then got a jar of the Home Pride Texan Chili Barbecue Sauce, and that's for my partner. So tomorrow I have got my work's Christmas party. I know it's in January, but we work in hospitality, so we don't really have any time to have it in December. So he is going to have that tomorrow when I am out. And then I also got a jar of the creamy tomato pasta bake sauce, and this is really handy to have in the cupboard. George loves pasta and he loves this sauce as well, so when we have something like the curry, which he really isn't a fan of, I can make him some pasta. So I then got some Patek's original plain poppadoms, and this was actually cheaper to buy the Patek's ones than it was to buy the Sainsbury's ones, so these were actually on offer. They were only £1. Over here I then got 6 sweet pancakes, and we're going to have those again in the week as desserts. We'll probably have it with the ice cream and the toffee sauce. Next, a few packets of crisps. So I picked up a 6-pack of the McCoy's crisps, the ridged ones, and then also a large pack of Quavers, which George has already stolen a packet of. Over here I picked up a packet of tortilla wraps, and this is going to be for our fajitas and also maybe for some lunches in the week as well for George. Moving on to some vegetables and salad and things. So I got a packet of the British carrots. It says that there's no need to peel them. However, they look like that they probably do still need peeling, so I probably will still peel and wash those. I then got an extra large cauliflower to go with our cauliflower cheese. I got a packet of mini potatoes, and we have these as our roast potatoes. I then got a pepper and an onion and a garlic to go with our fajitas. And then I also picked up a packet of the strong and peppery wild rocket, and that's washed and ready to eat. Some fridge items. I got a packet of fromage fraise. George loves yogurt, so I just got the Sainsbury's own ones. A few different types of garlic bread. So I picked up a garlic baguette to go with the lasagna, and then I also got some garlic slices, and that is actually to go with this spinach and ricotta tortellini that I got. And to go with that, I picked up the tomato and mascarpone sauce, and we'll probably have some salad with that as well. So I got a carton of the natural yogurt to go with our curry, and then also some sour cream to go go with the chili chips and fajitas. I then got an extra large carton of milk, as obviously George is still drinking whole milk. I then got some cheese. Moving on to meat and things, so for our roast dinner for tonight, because there's only 2 of us and obviously George will just have a little bit, I picked up the British chicken breast joint, and it only takes 50 minutes to cook and there's no bones or anything, so I can just pop that into the oven. I then got some minces. I picked up the 5% fat one and then also the 12% fat one in the larger packet, as they didn't have a 5% one in the bigger packet. I then got 2 packets of these whole chicken breast fillets. And then I also got these British breaded chicken goujons, which is Sainsbury's own brand. And then lastly, moving on to some freezer bits. So I just got a packet of peas. I got some of these alphabet letters. They're really handy to have in the freezer if we need something quick for dinner in the evening for George. I can just chuck them in the oven and there's no faffing with it. And then I also got some of these fish fingers. Again, it was cheaper to get the Bird's Eye ones than the Sainsbury's ones because they were on offer. George loves fish fingers, and again, it's just a really quick and easy meal. So if we're in a hurry or something, I can just chuck them in the oven. It doesn't take too long to cook. I got a packet of the Sainsbury's own Yorkshire puddings to go with our roast dinner. And then I also got a pack of the seasoned curly fries for my partner to have with his chili chips when I am out. And then we also lastly just got a 18 pack of Diet Coke that will last us about a week, and my partner drinks that quite a lot as he likes Diet Coke. Okay, so I have everything on my phone here. I've got all the meals listed of what we're going to have. So this evening then, which is Sunday when you're watching this, we are going to be having a roast dinner. And as you saw, we've got the roast chicken breast, so I'm going to cook that. So we're going to have roast potatoes, cauliflower cheese, Yorkshire puddings, veg, all the trimmings, and the applesauce to go with that as well. So as I mentioned when I was showing you everything that I'd bought, I actually have my work Christmas party tomorrow. So yeah, we have it in January because we're so busy in December. We don't have time to have any time off to be able to get everyone together for a Christmas party. So I've got that tomorrow evening. So my partner is home alone, so I think he's either going to have the chili chips that he normally has when I'm at work, or he's going to probably just get a takeaway and get some snacks and stuff for the evening as well. And on Tuesday we are actually going out as a family, so we will probably have dinner out somewhere as a family. And then moving on to Wednesday, we are going to be having the homemade chicken korma, and we're going to have that with some poppadoms. And then I think I'm going to also go out and get some naan breads. I wanted to pick up the Peshwari naan breads, but they didn't have any. So I think I'm going to go and pick some up tomorrow when I go shopping, so for some little bits throughout the week. On Thursday, we are going to have chicken fajitas, and we're going to have that with some veg, and you saw the peppers and the onions and things. And then we'll probably have that with nachos and some rice. I already had the nacho ingredients and the rice in my cupboard from a few weeks ago when we were going to have fajitas before, but we didn't get around to having them, so I already have them in the cupboard. On Friday we are going to have a lasagna, and with the lasagna we will probably have it with some garlic bread and some salad. And then on Saturday, we are either going to be going to family members and having a takeaway, but if that doesn't happen, then I do have some pasta in the spinach and ricotta tortellini in the fridge that we'll probably have with some salad and garlic bread again. Although I'll probably switch around a few of those meals, because obviously on the Friday we're having lasagna, and then Saturday we're having pasta and garlic bread again, so we'll probably get a bit samey. So I might mix them round. And then on the Sunday, I'll be doing my food shop again. So that is everything that we are having this week for dinner. So that was the end of today's video. I'm sorry if it was a little bit of a boring one. I've been at work for the last 3 days, just constantly on doubles, so I didn't really have any time to film anything. But I like filming and I like watching grocery hauls, and obviously I did my food shop today, so I thought I would just record mine. So yes, please like today's video, please subscribe if you haven't already, I'd love to have you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you, bye!